Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my technological world, your own YouTube tech channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing our channel and hit the bell icon so you'll receive the notification for our upcoming videos. Today again we have a news regarding Samsung Galaxy S10. Samsung leaks suddenly exposes radical Galaxy S10. Let's have a look. For its 10th anniversary, Samsung is shaking up the Galaxy range. There will be no less than 4 Galaxy S10 models, and they will come up with 6 cameras, 5G carrier support, and the biggest phone display Samsung has ever made. But there are also some controversial compromises, and arguably the most controversial of them all has just been confirmed. Having already successfully leaked the Galaxy S9 and Note 9 this year, the ever-prolific, ever-mysterious ICE universe has confirmed every model of Galaxy S10 will cut a hole into their display. The Galaxy S10 Lite, S10 and S10 Plus are all hole in Super AMOLED screen. But the S10 Plus has dual front cameras, so the whole design is slightly different. The whole ICE universe referred to is from a screen type Samsung has already announced, the Infinity display, and it literally has a circular hole cut out and a position in the top left corner for the front camera. This design allows Samsung to reduce the size of the top bezel to compete with rivals, but cutting a hole where the notification area begins is not going to please everyone. Furthermore, the single hole or dual in the case of the Galaxy S10 Plus leaves no space for facial recognition sensor. So Samsung's breakthrough Face ID rival has also been scrapped to accommodate it. So the question is this a disaster? Well, in my opinion, no, it's not. Personally, I prefer the cutout design to a standard notch as it takes up a lot less screen space. It also paves the way for Samsung's new Infinity display, which will integrate cameras and sensors under the display, removing the need for any form of notch or cutout. But it won't be ready until at least 2020. In addition to this, the Galaxy S10 will also be the first mass-market smartphone to support 5G. There will be a truly affordable entry-level version, as well as a crazy 6.7-inch flagship condemned the Beyond X. Well, in my opinion, this is a clear attack on Apple's 10th anniversary iPhone X. According to the Forbes International magazine, that said Samsung's first job will be convincing buyers that it is not a hypocrite having attacked any rival with a notch for the past year. I believe that's a battle Samsung will win, because so long as its top model doesn't become vaporware. So ladies and gentlemen, this is what we know till now regarding Samsung Galaxy S10, and this is the latest news coming from Forbes International magazine. And for the news, we have a disclaimer to announce that we do not guarantee and we are not responsible as well for these information, that these are the 100% correct information or not, but we try our level best to provide you best information about latest smartphone technologies. So if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon as well, so you'll receive the notification for our upcoming videos. Till the next video, take care. Bye bye.